Hi, Margaret here. I just wanted to say that one of the things that is very important to me, which I try and reflect in my beauty salon ethos, is nature, the wonder of it, and the importance of us making this planet a healthy and wonderful place, not only for us now, but for all the future generations that come. I am active in creating wildlife come into a concrete urban inner London setting. I have won awards for bringing wildlife to East London, and also another thing that is important to me is my voluntary work in the animal world. I am a volunteer for London Wildlife Protection, and also I help at times assist in the rescue of foxes in London. But another thing that I am very passionate about is saving our planet and reducing the amount of plastic that we use. Recently, I saw an image of a turtle with the Pepsi Coca-Cola logo embedded on its shell. I also found out that many birds cannot take off and fly because they have so much plastic in their stomachs. I knew it was time to change, and I would like to show you some of the things that I use to assist in the cleaning of my salon. Soap powder, surface cleaning fluid in a plastic bottle, washing up liquid in a plastic bottle, glass and window cleaner in a plastic bottle. I knew it had to change, and I discovered something to replace them all, and that is called soap nuts. 1 kilo of soap nuts is $9.99. Approximately 5 soap nuts are added to a bag, and this is put in the washing machine, and it cleans all the salon towels and all the salon covers. You can use soap nuts in any temperature of water. Soap nuts also can be boiled and used as a cleaner to clean sinks, salon floors, salon surfaces, manicure tables, in fact, anything in your home. This amount of soap nuts at $9.99 would last you, I would say to guess, 2 years. And the only thing that's plastic is the bag, which can be recycled. For windows and mirrors, I now use vinegar. And of course, I keep the same bottle until it's broken. So my use of plastic has basically reduced to 1 bottle. I hope that you too will do the same. Thank you.